Well, welcome back to another day of Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Today we are at the Benton County Bluegrass Festival. They got a bunch of hot rods and stuff up here, so we gonna spock it out, see if we can see some cool vehicles. Y'all stick around, comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Remember, if it ain't broke, probably didn't work on it. Catch y'all in a minute. I think that's James's car, James's truck.
I really wish you would get ours fixed.
Oh, I know. What's going on now? Ooh, Galaxy 500, 67 Fairlane. Oh, 4-speed. Nice. Oh, I like this. It's a Mercury Cougar, I think.
It's Mercury.
Huh?
It's a Mercury.
Yeah, it's a Mercury Cougar. Same thing as a Mustang. Triumph TR6. That is cool. I like that. I like the color.
And it would be Damien.
Go ahead, say something to the old YouTube world. What you up to?
Oh, not much. How you?
Getting over this dang shoulder surgery.
Oh, you still ain't over yet?
No, I'm 2 months out. Barely can raise my arm.
How you this day?
I'm good. How are you doing?
All right.
That is awesome. I know. That's one of my favorite shifters right there. The 67 Camaro I was gonna get had one of those. Looky there. That's nice. Now this I like. I want one of them. No, the station wagon. I like that. Oh yeah. What year is this? 63. 63.
Hey, one of a kind.
Huh?
One of a kind.
Oh, look.
You don't see them.
No. I watch a guy on TV, it's called Puddin's Fab Shop on the YouTube. He built one. I like him. If I can ever finish my 62 C10 step side, I'll be doing that.
Yeah. This car come out of Knoxville.
Really? That's awesome. 327 or 350?
350.
I like it.
I've been working on the fuel system this week.
Oh yeah.
Finally got it.
So I got a 62 C10 that I'm doing an LS swap on.
Okay.
I've been working on it for three and a half, 4 years. But
You need somebody that knows those LSs
yep,
to be able to
Oh yeah. Well, so I got the I bought that Phytech LS the Phytech Ultimate EFI for it.
Okay.
So it's got its own thing, but now I'm working on the wiring harness for the actual truck now and the exhaust. So, but oh yeah, no, I love it. I love the old station wagon.
I love it. Yeah. This is different.
It is. You don't.
Well, one reason is look how long it is.
327 El Camino. Nova time.
Really? Wow.
For all those Nova fans. Now this is a personal, I know this car. Oh yeah. All original Pontiac motor. How long have you had your car?
Got it when Corey's in high school.
That's what I thought.
Hey, y'all.
This is a church member's car that he has. He bought it when his son was in high school.
Big old bird.
A big old bird.
There you go. $25,000. Wait a minute. Yep. He's got a 67 satellite too. Thunder Chicken. There we go, a Barracuda. Still one of my favorite cars, even though it is a Chrysler, and I don't know diddly squat about them. I like the cars. And there's some more pulling in. I don't know how a spider got on here. Here comes my wife. She's been jibber jabbering.
I have.
I know.
Walk right here.
Yep. All right, we're gonna let some more cars show up and we'll be back to the car action. Sport Fury.
Right for today, but I burned the points up on it yesterday. Yep, Tommy. Oh no.
How are you?
Hey, how y'all doing?
Getting a little warm out.
Well, come on under the
Water?
No, we're good. We're good. I'm thinking about it too, but
Yeah, good thing I got drip dryer on. I'm hearing you. It's dry out fast enough on.
oh yeah. Love this. That's a nice Cheyenne right there.
This is what you want.
Huh?
The license plate.
Yep. There we go. That's my retirement sticker I'm getting. Of course, the no boss would be Leanna as my boss. All right, guys. Comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. It's getting a little warm out. We're headed in. Catch y'all later. See ya.